Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Kung Fu Panda and Shin Godzilla as one character, alright? So let's get started right now. Okay, let's get into merging Shin Godzilla and Kung Fu Panda, alright? Let's do it. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to start with curve over here for the nose, Kung Fu Panda nose. Curve around the corner here, curve around the corner. And then we're gonna pull down. Kind of has a little bit of a heart shape, not really. And we're gonna fill it in. Yeah. By the way, if you have any mixtures, absolutely tell me in the comments. I really want to hear your idea of like what two characters to combine. Be really cool. Gonna go down. Curve line over here for under the opening of the mouth. Curve line over here. Gonna go up here to the eye area. Line right there. Up. Line right here. Up. And it's gonna be the big Kung Fu Panda, patch right there of the eyes. Circle right here, circle right here. That's gonna be more Shin Godzilla because his eye's totally round. And then we're gonna go. They're gonna be kind of wall-eyed. They're gonna be like aiming outward. All right. Let's go over here, down here, and we're gonna draw teeth. Very Shin Godzilla. And if you write the name of what this character should be, put it in the comment section. And I'll pin the best name that I think is the funniest or the one I like the most. So what's the mixture between Shin Godzilla and Kung Fu Panda? What would be I forget what his name was in the movie. And I watched the movies too. And I liked them. Alright, let's go over here. Out, out, out. Right there. Got that panda look. Over here. Out, 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 out. Make it a little bit of bumpy. Curve underneath for the under part of the mouth. A line over here. Top of the head, right there. Just curve, curve. Let's draw over here the ears. Curve, curve. Okay, so far so good. Let's go down here now. It's gonna be turned to the right there. Curve for kind of the feet area. Line out here for under the body. So the feet are kind of like they're gonna be very Shin Godzilla feet. They're gonna be down and a little bit on the toes, if that makes sense. There we go. Out over here. And over here. All right. Feet. Curve across the body. Okay, just for the pattern of the panda. Line right here for the arm. Kind of aiming forward like that. And now he's going to be making a Kung Fu pose. So that's his palm, his finger, something like that. So his hand is outward. Line over here. His arm's a lot skinnier because it's going to be more of Shin Godzilla's arm. So this creepy little muscular arm. Line over here. Down the back. But we're also going to have a tail kind of go off the screen there. Stay with me. We're almost done, all right? So over here in the back, we're going to have his far side arm. Up. Line over here. Palm. Line over here on this section. Up over here. Downward. Curve up. Right on. Okay, let's get into the more Godzilla aspects. So we're gonna draw, or the Shin Godzilla aspects. That's gonna be the back, some of the spikes. And the spikes of Shin Godzilla look like, I don't know, bushes or something like that. They look weird in a good way, kind of like ninja stars. That's kind of the way I think of the Shin Godzilla. There we go. There, kind of make him go all the way down. And let's add some details to him. Like, so he's gonna have like, what do you calls it? Let's draw a line across for another color change. And we're gonna draw little lines right here, little detail lines. We're very much right at the end, by the way, so don't worry about it. We're almost done. A little bit of shadow right here, but we're drawing these little bumps because kind of the scaliness of the character is really big, at least in Shin Godzilla. I'm going to draw these little thin curves everywhere. Dang, this is weird looking. What a really bizarre character. Line right here. We're drawing these little curves. Little lines right here. We could draw kind of edges of the mouth right there, like he's really out there, really wicked. And just gonna keep that going throughout. Again, what would be the name of this character? Go check out the description. There's going to be a how to draw Godzilla head sheets over there. You can check that out if you're interested. If you really want to learn how to draw Godzilla from your mind, like regular Godzilla, from your mind's eye, like if you really want to be able to sit there and just draw it confidently every single time, for those people, there's going to be a link in the description, and it is like head sheets on how to draw the character, completely free, by the way, 100% free. But I'll put the link there so you can go get it. But yeah, just some people kind of requested that, and it's there for you. So, like I said, and it's free because I want everybody to have it. So, thank you so much. I appreciate you hanging out. And I want you to stay here because we're going to go into a different tutorial, all right? We're going to go into basically another tutorial, okay? We're going to start it. So, ready? Let's get started on that right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.